One simple shift can change everything. Wake up just 30 minutes earlier than usual. Not 5 a.m., just 30 minutes earlier. That small window gives you space. Space to think, to breathe, to begin your day with intention. You'll be surprised how much more control you gain. Not just over your schedule, but over your mind. 2. Read 10 pages a day. Books are more than words. They are time machines. Every page you read is a shortcut into someone else's experience, someone else's wisdom. 10 pages a day doesn't feel like much, but over time it compounds into knowledge, clarity, and perspective. 3. Use the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Don't delay it. Don't overthink it. This one rule can destroy procrastination. Small actions, done instantly, prevent mental clutter. 4. Plan your day the night before. Before you sleep, take a moment. Plan what tomorrow looks like. When your brain already knows what's next, you waste less time wondering and more time executing. 5. Learn to say no. Saying no is not rejection. It's protection. Protect your time, your energy, your focus. Every time you say no to something unimportant, you say yes to something that matters. 6. Track your expenses. Start tracking your money. Every dollar, every expense. Once you see where your money goes, you begin to respect it. And when you respect money, it starts working for you. 7. Cut one digital distraction. Pick one distraction. Social media, notifications, endless scrolling. Block it, even just for 1 hour. You'll feel the difference immediately. Your focus sharpens. Your productivity rises. 8. Smile, even when you don't feel like it. It sounds small, even silly. But smiling sends a signal to your brain, a powerful message. I'm in control. And over time, your mind begins to believe it. 9. Use timers. When you work for 25 minutes fully focused, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle. This is the Pomodoro technique. Simple, but incredibly effective. 10. Write. One sentence of gratitude every day. Write one sentence. Just one. Gratitude is not cheesy. It's mental training. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already there. 11. Compliment one person. Daily, make someone smile. Say something kind, something real. Positive energy spreads, and it always comes back, stronger. 12. Avoid screens before sleep. 30 minutes before bed, turn off your screens. No phone, no scrolling, no stimulation. Your sleep will improve naturally. Your mind will feel lighter, calmer. Try it for 3 nights. You'll feel like a different person. 13. Stretch every hour. Your body wasn't designed to sit all day. Every hour, take 2 minutes. Stretch, move, reset. It keeps your energy flowing and your mind alert. 14. Drink water. Immediately, when you wake up, drink water. Your body is dehydrated after sleep. Hydration wakes up your system. It boosts metabolism, sharpens your brain, and reduces fatigue. 15. Declutter. One thing, daily, messy space, messy mind. Every day, remove one piece of clutter. A desk, a drawer, a file. Small order creates mental clarity. 16. Stand up regularly. Sitting too long drains your energy. Every hour, stand up for 10 minutes. This improves circulation and helps your mind stay sharp. 17. Meditate for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes of stillness. No noise, no distraction. Just you and your breath. Meditation builds focus, reduces stress, and strengthens your mind. 18. Reflect on one win before you sleep. Think about one win, even a small one. Celebrate it. This rewires your brain to notice progress, not pressure. 19. Write down your biggest goal. Every day, write your biggest goal. Repeat it. See it. Feel it. The more you reinforce it, the more your brain believes it's possible. 20. Limit sugar intake. Sugar gives quick energy, but takes it away just as fast. Reducing sugar stabilizes your mood. It keeps your mind clear and steady. 21. Step outside. Daily spend at least 10 minutes outside. Fresh air, natural light, open space. Nature is free therapy, and it heals more than you think. 22. Make your bed. It seems basic, but making your bed is your first win of the day. Start with order, and momentum follows. 23. Remove negative influences. Every week, unfollow one negative source. A person, a page, a voice. Your environment shapes your mindset. Protect it carefully. 24. Use positive affirmations. Look in the mirror. Say something kind to yourself. It may feel awkward at first. Do it anyway. Speak to yourself, like someone you truly care about. 25. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Don't chase perfection. It's exhausting and unrealistic. Focus on being better, just 1% each day. That's how real growth happens. 26. Limit news intake. Too much news drains your energy. It's often negative, overwhelming, distracting. Stay informed, but set boundaries. 27. Eat one more vegetable. You don't need extreme diets. Just add one more vegetable to your meals. Small upgrades led to long-term health. 28. Learn one new word. Every day, learn one new word. It's not just about vocabulary, it sharpens how you think and express. 29. Take 5 deep breaths. When you feel overwhelmed, pause. Take 5 deep breaths. Slow, intentional breathing resets your nervous system. 30. Set 3 micro goals. Every morning, set 3 small goals. Clear, simple, achievable. Even on your worst days, you can still win. And those small wins build consistency over time. These habits are small, almost invisible at first, but practice daily. They transform your life. You don't need a complete overhaul. You just need a better system. Start small, stay consistent, and watch everything change.